Is my voice audible? Can everyone hear my voice? Is it audible enough?
Recording in progress.
Right. So yes, good morning and welcome to everyone. I think there are still many people yet to join, but I would suggest all of you to tell your team to join the session. This is going to be a very important session. Why? Because today the month is ending, May month is ending, and today's training, which is going to happen, it is going to be a high PV training. It is going to be a very important training, and it's going to be done by a person who has retailed many number of water purifiers in the just past few months. He has done really good in those category, right? And it was his request that he will take this training. We had requested that, sir, we want one training, so he told that I will take water purifier training because he has sufficient experience in this and he has done really good. I think in his success in his leadership series, he has told that he had retailed quite a number of water purifiers, so we were a little bit inspired that yes, we also want to know how to do this. We also want to know how to move forward in this category, because we are, it's not that we don't have information, but we want to have the right information and we want to move forward in the right direction, right? And in the end, as this meeting progresses, I want every single person who's there in this event, please take down notes. You might learn something of value today, and please use this in your coming time. But at the end of the meeting, there is going to be a very big announcement to be done, and it will be done by Varunji himself. So it will be we'll discuss that in the end. But if you want to know what is that, please stay till the end. But let's come to the topic now. Let me invite, I think you all know him. He had already come for our first leadership series. Please let me invite from Team Wizards, Mr. Munishekar ji. A huge round of virtual applause for him, so that we can welcome him. So sir, I hope you are there. Ready? Right. Let me unmute you.
Yes, sir. Very good morning. So,
Yes, sir.
is my
Nice
voice
logo, sir.
audible, sir?
Nice Wizards logo.
Thank you so much, sir.
Right. So, sir, should I make you host? Do you have any presentation to
Yes,
showcase?
yeah, I have many things to show you.
Right. Wait a minute. Just let me make you host. Yes, sir. So you are the host now, sir. I made you host. So yes, guys, please take notes. It's going to be very important training. Manish Shekhar ji has had experience of retailing water purifier, so he's going to give us that information also about how to approach or how to close a sale, right? So please make sure every single person who's there in this event, please switch on your videos, right? Your leaders, it's better to switch on your videos and listen to him very carefully, right? If you are not switching on your videos, it's going to be useless sitting in this meeting. You need to switch on your videos so that you can listen to him, so that he can also see that are we listening, are we taking notes, and are we learning something interesting. Because many people might have doubts, some people might not hear, so by your expression he might be able to decode that. Please make sure to switch on your videos. I would suggest all the leaders switch on your videos. If you're in a low network area, no problem, but please, if even some people will not switch on their camera, sir, you're in low network area and need not switch on my camera. But see, you are leaders, you have come to this platform to do something big, please switch on your cameras, right? Sir, over to you, Manishekar, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you. So,
Yeah.
shall I start?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All to you, sir. Start, sir.
1 minute. So, guys, very good morning to everyone. Like, again, very much honored to meet you all people. So, yes, so very good morning to everyone. So, today you're going to learn the one of the beautiful product and one of the most precious product and also highest PV product, that is water purifier, right? I see it seems that for me every time it's not 933, it's 933, so that it was very less PV. I feel that I was thinking that there should be some more water purifiers so that I can retail over here. So in my journey of last 2 years, I have retailed almost, today I counted, it was 62 water purifiers I have done. So that is what I have done. So I'll tell you guys
62.
in a simple way, in an easy way. So I'll tell you one thing. So guys, you know what? There is a thing like, you know what? If you focus only on water purifier, also you can earn 1 lakh per month, but that is not a good thing actually. So because here we are here to create a business, that means having a freedom of time and money, not for only to be a like just promoter every time. So okay, so that is what I want to tell you all. So I'll make sure you to understand like an LKG guy, okay, because that is what I need to give people, because we are not a professionally born in something called technical field. We are studying or we are doing some other things and we are learning about new product. So okay, so we are going to start with this product, but before starting this product, I'll tell you some things. So, guys, what I want to tell you is that make sure to be till the end, because if you are the person going to go in between, I'm telling you, you're going to face. Don't promote water purifier. If you're going to promote water purifier, you know what? People will fight upon you. Like people will follow you like anything. If you are going to suggest someone water purifier, and you know what? If you are not going to give some precautions to them, some things to be remembered when you are promoting water purifier, that I will be discussed at the end. Okay, if you won't discuss that, I'm telling you, definitely you'll face lot of issues. But if you be till the end, I'm telling you, you'll make 933 PV like this. If you need not to work entire month for water PV, I'm like side PV. You can work for just 2-3 days. Hardly, I'm telling you, if you gain this knowledge, next 1 hour knowledge, hardly it requires 4 days to complete side PV. 4 days. 4 days is more than enough. Okay, if you have right people, 2 days is enough. Okay, so guys, here we go. I'll start with a normal PPT. So hope everyone has came. So even session is getting recorded. So yes, 1 minute. See guys, yes, here we go. This is our product called Water Purifier from the Sharp. See, I love this product because it's having a beautiful things and where we can do the things. Okay, so coming the point, guys, actually we are providing in air and water and nutrition. In three things we are working. Actually in air we are having air purifier, in nutrition we are having supplements, and water we are having water purifier. So today's topic is all about water, means we need to go for water. So yes guys, you need to understand the importance of human body, but before that I want to show you another slides. 1 minute. So yes, here we go. So you're able to see my screen, Asir?
Yes, we can.
So if anything interruptions in audio, please let me know in between, sir.
Definitely.
So guys, before knowing about water purifier, we need to know about how our body is functioning and how the water is going to play a role in our body. My dear friends, the brain, lungs, liver, blood, skin, muscles, kidneys, teeth, bones, all these things require water every day. Okay, so all these things, healthiness will be dependent on water. I know that people can live without food for a day, but without water they can't. That means the water input, what are you giving, the water quality, what are you intaking, that all is going to impact all these things. So all these 8 9 to 10 things. So these organs are very important in our body. You know what, generally why BP and all this will come, like heart problems will come, liver problems will come, bone problems will come, right, teeth problems will come. You know what, every problem beside 90%, the role was played by water. See the water input what you're taking. So generally, you know that in that market we are having TDS meter which will show the quality of water. So generally there are two ways to calculate the water quality. One is TDS meter and next is electrolyzer. So I'll tell you about the demo also at the end. But guys, you need to understand that what is the TDS. Here they have given little mistake. It's actually 10 to 50, not 0 to 50. The TDS level should be minimum 10 to 50. That is called the highest purity water which can be drinked by the first class water. And 50 to 100 is also a good water which can be drinked. And 100 to 300, it's a thing where we don't have a sufficient enough quality. That time you can go for 100 to 300. It's generally normal water. I can tell you that as like 10 to 50, it's like an Volvo bus. 50 to 100 is like a super luxury, and 100 to 300 is like an express. Okay, and now you require your comfort. So after 300, it's like a bullock cart. So, if you travel in bullock cart, how much time it will take to reach some destinations. So don't go for 300 and above tedious things. So that is very danger to health and body, and it will impact a lot. Okay, so this is what. So I'll tell you how to calculate all these things at the end. So, but just know the knowledge at the starting. Okay, coming up next, quality of our groundwater. You can see here, out of our India, you can see our India map. You can see Karnataka over here, where it is Karnataka. It's like N. I think so. Your region, Udupi, and all these regions having less than 480. That means it's a little bit drinkable time. But you can see in entire India, the graph which was shown here, red is very danger. Actually, 1920. The groundwater, all these places were 1920 more than TDS. And yellow color which was mentioned is the 960 to 1920, and green color which was mentioned here is 480 to 960, and less than 480 is the blue area. Okay, so actually what I want to tell you is that how this water is getting polluted. I'll tell you. See, the rainwater which we are getting, it's okay, good water, but you know what, do you think that's really a good water? No, because you know what, clouds are keep on passing, right? How we will be walking here and there. So you know what, clouds will be passing, we don't know that the cloud is coming from which place. It may come from factories, right? It may be like water will be taken from the oceans. From there it can go pass on through ocean, I mean like factories, and where the chemicals which was exploring over there, it will be mixed over there, and it will release that water in the form of rain. Later, if you can see the farmers, every farmer is using pesticides. So what is the use of pesticides? Because they are getting benefited, but after using pesticides, where that is going to be stored? My dear friends, whatever you are doing, like whatever they are spraying the pesticides, 5% is getting impacted on the plants, 95% is mixing on water, and that water, if you leave like that for a day, it is going to go into the deep of the grounds. So the rainwater which is coming up from up, and the pesticides, whatever the mixing, and all these things are getting mixed, and in the ground, under the ground, it was mixing all the chemicalized water. That is why TDS levels are increasing more and more day by day. So this is what we need to understand. Many people will think that groundwater is good once upon a time. Now it's not, because once upon a time there is no factories. Once upon a time people are not using pesticides, but today they were using pesticides. Today we are having factories. So it's all about today's situation. Not we need not to calculate about previous generations. So coming up next. So you need to understand which impurities will be presented in the water which are unseen. Guys, you can see in the right side picture, in the water there is a nitrate, so which will be causing major effect for the people who are going to give the birth. That is for especially for ladies. If nitrate content is more, if you're drinking that, it will cause you to get a baby with some diseases or else some like problems. And if you are having pesticides in the water, it will consist of cancers and all these things. If lead is present more, it will be increasing the BP problem, blood pressure, kidney problems, and all these things. And if there are chloroforms, it will make you to get some vomiting sensation, frequent headaches, and all these things. Even migraine can cause through this. And if there is a copper more, kidney and liver will get damaged easily. And if you're having arsenic compounds, you will be getting easily cardiovascular diseases. If there is a chlorine, eyes and nose irritation will be started, and even stomach pains will be started. But you need to understand maximum in the groundwater, all these things are present. And how can we calculate this also will be showed at the last. Okay, nitrate, pesticides, lead, chloroforms, copper, arsenic, chlorine, still many are there in water which are unseen. Because of this, people are getting cholera, hepatitis, diarrhea, typhoid, lot of things. And you need to understand one more thing. It's a facts by WHO. I have gone through WHO, World Health Organization. It's a website. You can just go there and you can check newsroom. There is a key facts in the top highlights, which was I highlighted. Contaminated drinking water is estimated to cause 485,000 diarrheal deaths each year. That means every year nearly 5 lakh deaths were happening because of water only. And you need to understand, by 2025 the world's population will be living in the water stressed areas, because water is getting polluted, water is wasting. Once upon a time people used to take river water also. Now people are, no one is taking river water. And also Supreme Court and WHO has already proven and has given a official notice that say no to RO water. The people who are using canned water, I'm telling you, you shouldn't use that. This was officially declared by Supreme Court and all these things. And now you may get doubt, sir, if that is done by Supreme Court, that is done by government and everyone, WHO, all people told, then still we are getting Water. Which water? Which water you're getting? You're getting canned water. Now you may get this doubt, right? You're telling wrong. I know, Pakka, you're telling wrong just for your motivating us. I'll tell you, my dear friends. Even people know that cigarettes will cause cancer, but still government is selling. And on the cigarette packet, they'll mention that it will cause cancer. And before film, they'll declare that this thing advertisement only. But still, why people are using? And why government is not getting banned? So, my dear friends, you know that government requires money. So you know what? Many things are there, right? Alcohol shouldn't be consumed. Cigarettes shouldn't be consumed because of this major problems are occurring. But still, people are not banning, na? So you can see this should be your attitude answer. This answer should be with you because your customers will ask you the doubt. If you are telling like this, then what is that person? He's selling there only, na? Government has given permission, na? They'll ask like this. You should tell, okay, sir, I agree with you. Then you need to ask only one thing. Even cigarette packets are suggested not to use only. Government has made a good sticker over there, it will cause cancer. But still, why people government is selling that? So that is what. So if this answer should be with you, customer will not open his mouth till the last. Okay, this is the one more thing. These four things for a general knowledge. Now it's time to learn about our product. Okay, now my dear friends. Now you can see here, I already discussed this. The common impurities in water will be physical impurities, chemical impurities, and biological impurities. So physically, it's all about ash, metals, manganese, all these things. Chemical impurities means like chlorines, acids, all those things. And biological impurities means nothing but virus, bacteria, all these things. My dear friends, you need to understand there are many water purifiers in the market. They will be telling that we are having many stages, we are having that stage, this stage, all this stage. Whatever stage you have, the major thing is that it should purify physical, chemical, and biological. If these three impurities are purified, I am telling you, nothing can stop you. That water is ultimate water. Okay. So the thing is that generally you need to know about the market. Market is all about, like, you know what, they'll tell that, sir, we are having 8 stages, it is just 10,000. If you go for 12 stages, it will go for 20,000. If you go for 24 stages, it will cost you 40,000. It's not about stages. Again, I told you that it all about purifying physical, chemical, and biological impurities. And also they have said that, sir, in our water purifier we are having alkaline cartridge which will give you alkaline water. My dear friends, in entire this world there is no purifier which can give alkaline water. It is for damn sure. No scientist was invented till that date. There is no alkaline water itself. If there is a thing called, if they drink alkaline water, it will be having a long-term problems. That is why they didn't invent it. But people are telling the name called alkaline cartridge, and they are increasing the amount and selling for the more money. And some cheap products. You know what? Many water purifiers consist of plastic content prepared things. But our products, which we are having, it's a food degradable products. So if you take it, it's not food degradable products. It's not a like plastic one. But other water purifiers, what are they having? It's a thing called plastic. And also TDS controller, which will be showing them TDS controllable thing. And it's a marketing gimmick. I'll tell you that also at last. And there is some advertising and chemical cartridges, UV chambers, telling that we are having UV chamber, UV filter, UF filter, all these things. So whatever it is, I already said you one thing, keep it in your mind. Either you have UV chamber or UF filter, that cartridge, this cartridge, three things: physical, chemical, biological impurities are getting purified or not. That is the question. If those three things are purified, then that's it. It's done. That water is ultimate water. Now, how our water purifier works and how our water purifier will be done, I'll tell you. See, my dear friends, we are having four filters. That is called PP filter, CB filter, RO membrane, and AF filter, AF disruptor. So PP is nothing but first stage. It's a polypropylene filter. CB is nothing but carbon filter. And third thing is that RO membrane. And last thing is that AF disruptor, which is alumina fiber disruptor. Right? Now, the question is that, you can see here, 1 minute. How this polypropylene filter and carbon, these filters will work, I'll tell you. In polypropylene filter, actually, what is the specification? I will tell you. 1 minute. Make a note. Yeah. See, actually, in this polypropylene filter, Actually, it will remove all the sand and all the materials which will be here. Noted. So you know what? Tiny sand particles and all these things will be, and it will be having a 5 micron shell. What? 5 micron shell. This 5 micron shell will make you to filter out. That is the first thing. The expected lifespan of this is 6 months. This is an average one. It's not high, it's not low, it's a minimum average 6 months. Okay. The outside markets, you know what, they are having that high micron shell, tiny micron shells like that. But we are having 5 micron shell. That is very tiny one. And second thing is that carbon block. What is this carbon block? Actually, this carbon block is actually it will absorb smell, color, chlorine, and all these things. Actually, it improves the taste by absorbing the. And I want to tell you how it will absorb the smell. My dear friends, actually, you have observed or not, I don't know. Like in many bakeries, you can observe in a costly bakeries where they are selling costly sweets. Out of the sweets in a top layer, it will be formed one thing that is called silver coating. Many sweets will be having silver coating. You can observe whenever you go to bakery, which is having a good content of sweets, fresh sweets. Actually, why that will be added, I will tell you. Actually, that silver coating will be added for the sake of freshness. Okay, when that silver coating is added to the sweet, it will remain as like fresh as it was before 24 hours. If it has been prepared yesterday, if you are selling today also, it will be like freshly prepared one. That is why they will add that silver coating to make that freshness. But you know what we are having, even our carbon block, we are having that 1.7 percentage of silver coating over there, which will increase lot of taste over there. But outside, in outside filters, whatever you're having, it will be having 0.2% filter. 0.2 percentage of filter silver will be having outside water purifiers. In our water purifier, the silver coating will be about to 1.7 percentage. So my dear friends, because of this extra specifications, the price will getting high. You may think of the price also. I'll tell you that also at last. And third thing is called RO membrane. And before that, carbon block average lifespan is 8 months. And RO membrane is specially designed from USA. And I'll tell you why it is specially designed from USA. I'll tell you. Actually, here you can observe in right side there was a box called arsenic, copper, cadmium, barium, fluoride, all these things. Before starting this meeting, I have shown you one glass of water. In that, what all impurities will be presented. These impurities only majorly. So all these impurities in water, how much ever percentage it may be, this RO membrane will purify 99.3% of arsenic compounds. Similarly, like lead, copper, cadmium, barium, all this minimum percentage of purification it will be done is 98%. That means max to max it will purify. Only one thing, that is selenium, it will be approximately 94%. Remaining all filtrations will be that about more than 98%. So the expected. And last but not least, that is AF disruptor. This filter. What is this filter? I'll tell you. Actually, this is the filter which is prepared with platinum, copper, aluminum presented inside that. Platinum, copper, aluminum. Actually, what it will do? Actually, it will scan the water for every second 200 times. I mean, sorry, 20 times. In 20, it will scan the water 20 times. Why it will scan? I'll tell you. See, my dear friends, actually it is having a potential that which will be current will be passed over there. It's a 51 millivolts of current will be passed over there, which one will kill for virus and bacteria. Actually virus is will be happening if you store water for some times, right? Virus will get a rebirth. There is nothing system in water purifier that virus can be dead. There is only system that we can make a virus inactive. Okay, but everywhere if you store water for some days, even water will be like it will be getting automatically bacteria will be started again, so germs and everything. So rebirth will be taken place. The inactive one again will become active. So what happens, this AF disruptor will give through current, and with current it will be done. Actually I'll show you in a fluent way, in an amazing way, that in block background the expected lifespan averagely is that 12 months for AF disruptor. Now it's time to observe this block diagram. If you know about the block diagram, entire thing will be done properly. So you can see my spotlight. So I have given a spotlight. So observe only spotlight. Don't observe anything because you will be confused later. Okay, observe only spotlight. See, my spotlight was entering into the water. Now water is getting inputted directly. It was coming down, coming down, coming down. Here 5 micron shell will be. So in this 5 micron shell, what will happen? It will be purifying all the sand particles, mud particles, all those things over here, and it will come into the CB filter. The water will be coming into the CB filter. Here the smell will be absorbing, and because of the silver coating, the taste will be increased a lot, and which will be equivalent to, like, you know what, how the coconut water will be tasting. So that much of taste, it will not become that much of sweet, but it will become more tasty of water, because we are having 1.7 percentage of silver coating here. Because of that, water taste will be more tasty. Okay, it will be increased a lot. Later it will come to RO membrane, where all the arsenic, lead, cadmium, fluoride compounds will be filtered with 128 chambers will be presented here. Because of that, all these things will be purified over here, and it will send out to the drainage water. And the purified water will come onto the water tank, which is 5 liter storage one, which is coated with mercury. It's a mercury coated one and air tighted one, so that a single percentage, 0.1% of air also cannot be gone inside. Okay, so this was the thing. It will be easily, it won't get rusted for next 6 years. For next 6 years, it will not be rusted only. So it will be looking like fresh only. And if you store water in this, after 45 days, if you take water also, it will be fresh water, like you have purified on the day, same day. But I'm telling you, if you have other water purifiers in your home, keep water, purified water, it will be come onto the one box. If you keep like that for 45 days, the smell will be coming over there. Even germs you can find out there. But I can guarantee you that after 45 days also, if you drink this water, it will be fresh water, like how you got a purified water. That's what this mercury coated tank will be done. Then it will go to AF disruptor. Now what it will be done here? See, actually I told you, right? You know what, water is having one of bad quality, that is that whatever the virus and bacteria was filtered over here in normal membrane, after coming into here, it is having a give rebirth. That means the inactive viruses will get again active if it's stored for long time, maybe for 3-4 hours also. Okay, what happens, after coming water, the rebirth of the virus, whatever it happen, when you on the tap, when you on the tap, you will not get from the tank. Generally all water purifiers you will get from the tank, but our water purifier will not take water from the tank. It will go to the AF disruptor. It will purify over there, and it will check either virus and everything. I said you right, for every second 20 times it will scan over there, and it will find out either virus everything is presented or not. If it is presented, 51 millivolts of current will be injected over there, so that it can be easily dead, and the dead particles will be again gone to the drainage water. Understanding? Then again in this AF disruptor, there is one more quality, that whatever our body is required, like magnesium, like sodium, what are all things we required, minerals, all these minerals, whatever we are having. So all these minerals, how much content is required for our body? Actually, there is a PCB board. It was yes. Sir, it's from your side. Okay, if anything else, just text me, sir. Yeah, okay. Sorry, guys. So if anything interruptions will happen, just let me know through chat box, sir. So yes, coming up the thing, like in AF disruptor, it will scan for 20 times in a second. And I also told you that there is a PCB board connection. You can find it out actually in whatever here they have not given. I'll show you. So there will be board called here PCB board. Okay, you can see that the charging point, right? Or I mean, like charged one, like it will be showing a battery one, right? For 4 filters. In that only PCB board, that is the called PCB board. Actually, through software, actually Sharp will be installed over there. How much content of minerals should be required for body, right? It will not make us to give more, and it will not make us to give less. It will make us to give what exactly software has given. How much content should be given, that much only. Actually, I'll tell you how much thing it was required actually at last. Okay, this PCB board, actually it will scan, and if it accepts, then water will be come through tap. If it is not going to accept, There is certain type of minerals. If there is no sufficient minerals presented in water, what happens? This water will go back to the RO membrane, and again it will get filtered. Again it will go back to the tank. Again, then tank again it will come. That means there is a two times of working nature here. One time it will done. If there is no sufficient requirement of purification, it will take again. So whatever it is, you can give a guarantee to the customer. However your water is, if you on the tap, you will get a purified water only. Okay, and there is a test at last. We can show that test also at last to the people. Okay, this is the block diagram we need to understand. Okay, so hope everyone is clear with this block diagram. If you want me to repeat, I'll repeat, because this is the major thing we need to understand. If you have any confusions here, let us solve here itself. Anyone, if anyone is having, please text me in chat, or else we'll go to the next. So fine, thank you. So let's go up to the next. Okay, so this is the working nature of our water purifier. If you observe other water purifiers, what they will be having now, see, you can see here, they used to have water will be getting inputted, like I'll show you here also spotlight. So water will be gone here, sediment filter, activated carbon. So I said, right, sediment filter, it will not have a certain type of microns. It is having highest is 10 microns. I think so 8 microns, but we are having 5 microns. In this carbon block, they are using 0.2 percentage only, but we are using 1.7 percentage. Then reverse osmosis, it's a normal one. It's not having 128 chambers, and it is not guaranteed that all these arsenic lead compounds will be purified 98%. It's a minimum purification will be done, and dirty water will come out here. And there will be one of the thing called TDS controller, because you know what, after fixing after installing water purifier, the serviceman will check the water from the purifier, and they will show to the people that, see ma'am, TDS is good, so our purifier is purifying. Because you will be getting a question, if water is not good, how can it show the TDS less than 100? You can check it out. If you check your can water also, it will show less than 100 only. If you go and check your Kent and AquaGuard also, it will show less than 100 only. But you need to understand, there will be one thing called TDS controller. However the water it will convert that into less than 100. That is what the motive of this TDS controller, it will be presented in the every water purifier. So that this is a marketing gimmick, so that people can get sold easily water purifiers. But for us, it's not like that. And you know what, 90% of water, how much our input you're giving, 90% is promised that sharp water purifier will be given. If you are giving 1000 TDS input, 1000 TDS, 90% is guaranteed. That means 900 TDS will be reduced. That means it will go for 100. Okay, so that is what the promise from this. And we will be having a charging indicators, that for every filter we will be having an indicator, so that everywhere serviceman will come and he will check. If he requires more filters to be changed, we need to do that, because we don't have an idea about it. But here, for customer verification, for customer knowledge, they are giving 4 charging points, so that it will be indicating that how much the filter lifespan is there. And you know what, actually I told you that the first filter will be coming for 6 months on an average, second one will be coming for 8 months, third one will come for 2 years, fourth one will come for 1 year. But you know what, in some places where I have given, they are getting that not for 6 months, they are getting for 1.5 year also. Say, I told you average fund, it may get more, it may get less, sometimes it will go for 3 months also, but it all depends on water quality. So we can't guarantee that these filters will work for exactly this many months, but minimum is 3 months. I'll show you at last one more PDF also. So we are having 4 filters only, not more than that. These 4 filters will be, the first filter will be, the PP filter will purify all the physical impurities. Carbon block will purify all the chemical impurities. RO membrane will purify all the biological impurities. And last, AF filter, what it will do is that whatever these 3 things are not done, if PP filter or CP filter and RO filter, if anything is there, it will cross check and it will purify the remaining things, and it will scan and it will give the water how much body is required, exactly metals are presented or not, it will scan and then it will give us. Okay, so right side you can observe, that is called this board is there, right? 1 minute, I will show you. This board, this is called PCP board. Here the software will be inputted, so that how much percentage of water is required. You can make a note. I'll tell you one thing. So how much it required for us? Actually, our body is required iron 2.5. 2.5% of iron is required for our body. 1.7% of calcium is required. zinc 0.2% of zinc is required in the water. If such type of water, if you are drinking, no medicine is required only. And major problem you will, because if water is not good, the major problem is you will be getting the first indication of your health is gastric. The people who are suffering with gastric, the first problem is that they need to change water purifier. If they change water purifier, I am telling you, without using supplements also, they can see the results in next 3 months. They'll be out of the gastric. Okay, water is also major cause. Wherever the water is not good, the first disease is to be attacked is gastric. Okay, so even for getting sight, eyesight, see, for eyes it requires 90% of water will be consumption. For eyes, 90% role will be played by water, only 10% food role will be played. Okay, so this is what the thing coming up next. So we are having the 5 certifications, which are the international certificates, which is a very much a brightest thing. So these certificates are the highest model things, and more than this, there is no technologies that where they can give a certification. See, mercury coating is not inside the container; it's an outside the container. Actually, inside the container, it's harmful. Outside the container, the mercury coating will be for the water tank. We are having 5-liter water tank, right? It's having outside the mercury coating. It's not actually inside. Okay, we are having specially designed RO membrane from USA. Okay, these are all normal things. Uh, this also okay, fine. So you will be getting, you will be having a customer care number. You need to book over there, so that if you book within 48 hours, customer person will come to you and they will install and they will go. And we are having a 1-year warranty. In 1 year of time, anytime you call them, within 48 hours, they'll come to your home and they'll check, and you need not to pay any money. You can do for free of cost service. And for filters, there is no guarantee. For filters, there is no guarantee. Okay, now my dear friends, this is what I want to tell you about water purifier. So there are some things I need to show you people. 1 minute. Yes, sir. 1 minute. Ajay, sir, you want me to tell anything?
Can you please tell me that iron, calcium, and zinc percentages
Yes,
again?
sir.
2.5.
Calcium
Okay.
is
And
about 1.7.
calcium is 1.7. And zinc is 0.2, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Exactly.
Thank you. Okay. Continue.
Yes, sir. So now, coming to the point. So guys, I want to show you one more thing. So we should must install pre-filter also. Actually, now you need not to worry. The luckiest part is that you are getting pre-filter for free in our water purifier. The people who are purchasing from January, they are getting pre-filter for free in the box itself. Actually, the Sharp which they were providing, the cost of that pre-filter is actually 1,000 rupees, 1,000 to 1,200 it will cost you. Now you can see here, the pre-filter is that it's a pre-sediment filter. Actually, in the groundwater, we may find that a lot of impurities will be presented. It won't be purified that much easily. So you know what? If it directly goes to into our filters lifespan will get decreased, and it is a chance of getting blockage also. Because of that blockage, our water purifier will not get output. So what company have decided is that to give a pre-filter for everyone for free, because this pre-filter will make you to purify all the major particles which was presented in the groundwater, so that the main filters will not get affected easily, and the lifespan can be increased for more time. And what is this pre-filter, how to change and how to use this? Actually, pre-filter, it can be, we can only handle with that. Actually, if your pre-filter for every month, for every 1 month, you need to clean that pre-filter. Actually, if you see the left side picture which was marked, you can see over there the pre-filter after 1 month. After 1 month, if you have been used a pre-filter, it is like little bit whitish and little bit brownish color. That means you can still use that pre-filter. Actually, for this, serviceman is not required. We can only do that. We should open that membrane. If it is looking little bit whitish somewhere, there is a chance we can use that. But if it is converting totally into the brown color, that means it was been expired. You need to go for new pre-filter. Okay. So this is the thing you can observe the left side. So how to wash this? You shouldn't use some scrub or something else. You should dip into the bucket of water and you need to keep for some time. Later you need to remove it. If you do with scrub, pre-filter will go off. Okay, don't scrub it out. So just you need to dip in the water, bucket of water, it will automatically will get clean. It's just a mud, sand, that's it. Okay. So if it is turning totally into the brown, then it's time to order new one. That new one you should bear on your own expenses. You will get outside for 300 to 400 also. The starting price of pre-filter will be 250. Okay, it depends on the quality. Okay, now my dear friends, this is one more thing should be noted. So coming up next, I'll show you some more things. You may find, you may ask, sir, what is the filters prices? How much will be the filter prices? So I'll show you, including air purifier and also water picture also I'll show you. So you can just take a screenshot of this. So actually the water pitcher we are having, the water pitcher cartridge, if you are directly buying from Sharp, 1250. If you are buying from Vestige, the cost of that water pitcher cartridge will be 1050. And in water purifier we are having 4 filters, right? PP filter, if you see, there is a minimum working is 3 months to 3 to 6 months. Okay, the MRP will be 790, the DP will be 665. CB filter cost will be 885 MRP, DP will be 765. RO filter will be 2650, but DP will be 2400. We will be getting PVs also for that. You can observe right side. Actually, first one is DV, second one is PV. Okay, and AF disruptor, the cost of that will be 1550, and the DP will be 1400. Okay, and also air purifier, HEPA filter, and active carbon filter also they have given screenshot of this. Okay, if required, I'll send you this also. Okay. Yeah, 1 minute. So hope you are clear till here. Now it's time to teach you some tips and tricks of promoting this water purifier actually. So guys, and one more thing need to be noted from my side. So these conditions are must for everyone. Actually, I want to tell you one thing. RO filtration is banned, but I mean, like RO, like what I want to tell you is that exactly our RO membrane, actually what we are having RO membrane, it was specially designed from USA. Why it was designed from USA, I'll tell you. Actually, outside RO filters, what they were using, I'll tell you. Once upon a time, actually, you need to know behind this one story. Actually, how water purifiers were invented. Actually, my dear friends, water purifiers were invented from the past because of in the ships. Actually, once upon a time, people used to travel in a ships. Okay, at that point of time, people require water. People who are traveling in ships, you know that in a ship, if you want to travel, it will take more days to travel compared to flights. So now tell me, they require water. If they load some water over there, if they'll be carrying hundreds of people over there. That means everyone, if they drink, each person, if we drink for 5 liters per day, they require at least 500 liters of water. What they thought, instead of installing, right, taking water load, if we take people only, we will get more money. Now, business people thought like this. Then how will we provide water? Now they thought that anyhow we are going in water only. Now we'll give that water only to the people. Now one person got a doubt that is salt water now, sir. Like customers will easily will find it out and we'll get name and fame will be gone. That is why now let's invent something. That is where they invented RO filter. That filter just purify the things which was there, this salt content, all these things. Just normal basic purification. Basic purification. Okay. The remaining water that can be drinkable for 2-3 days or 4-5 days. That's it. If you keep on drinking the same water, it is affecting our health. Why Supreme Court and why WHO is banned? Because outside RO membrane people were not using a quality one. And in the prices I have shown you, it was a little bit costly, RO membrane ours. Why? You know, because it was having 128 chambers. It was specially designed for Sharp. And you know, we are getting water purifiers for 5,000 rupees. 5,000 rupees. Do you think why? We are having water purifier for 1 lakh also. Do you think why? Because the problem is that the quality of the material they were using. You know, Indians, everyone wants for cheap and best only. No one wants to pay the money more. So because of taking this, People are doing business, and because of this, people health is getting affected. Because of this, WHO banned RO only. Because of this, RO only banned. Because of this only. But the specially designed RO membrane is having totally rights to promote, because it is having a specially designed 128 chambers one. But you can't find the same RO membrane outside in any filter if you take in a big brand also. So that is what the uniqueness we are having. That is what it's an RO filtration system. So that is what the thing. So people are asking about Kangen water purifier. I'll tell you at last also. Don't need to worry. There is a lot more. I have just completed 30-40% only. Still 60% is there. Don't think that PDF is over. Still lot things are there. Okay. So this is what the thing. So from till here you got the knowledge. Now I want to show you one more thing. Some conditions to be kept in mind when you are promoting water purifier. My dear friends, don't promote water purifier if they are not having a desirable height. Actually, Sharp is suggesting minimum 15 feet to maximum 75 feet. But what I suggest is that, according to my experience, we need not to follow this much. But yeah, 1 minute. So actually, whenever you are promoting water purifier, forget this. Don't keep this picture in your mind. I'll tell you what to do. My dear friends, actually, wherever, either it's an apartment, either it's a 10-floor building, either it's a 1-floor building, whatever it is, keep it in your mind. If you are promoting water purifier for someone, if they are going to install, ask them above their floor, wherever they are installing. Suppose you are in the, here you can observe that this person is in first floor. Okay, above them there should be minimum 1 floor. Here they have mentioned 2 floors, but minimum 1 floor is required. If the tank is minimum 1 floor above, then you can you can suggest water purifier. No sir, they were not having floor upon them. They are having, here they were staying, and above that over there. If you want to suggest for them, suggest along with that water purifier booster pump, which is 75 GPD, which will cost you around 1,200 to 2,500 in between. You will be getting from normal water purifier shop, wherever Kent and AquaGuard they will be selling now. From them you can get it out. Booster pump, this is our responsibility to get. It's not Sharp responsibility to get. So booster pump, which is having 75 GPD, especially mention 75 GPD. Don't require. You shouldn't go for more. People will tell that we don't have 75 GPD, we are having 100, take that. Don't take like that. We should, must and should go for 75 GPD. Because if you're following proper regulations only, Sharp will give correct service. If you are not, going according to the regulations, Sharp is not responsible. That is where you will lose the trust from the customer. Keep it in your mind, water purifier is not a single time promoting product. You are thinking about 933, it's not about 933 also. It's a serviceable product. If you're giving for someone, they should be satisfied and they should get less services. Instead of, don't see PV here. Before seeing the PV, see the possibilities, right? If you see proper possibilities, if every requirement is accepted, then only promote water purifier. If not, suggest them before only. Okay. So minimum 1 floor. If they are staying in 10th floor, in the above the 10th floor only tank is there, still booster pump is required, must and should. Okay, so that's what. If they were staying in some apartment, they were having more than 75 feet, right? The tank is above the 75 feet. Again, you need to install one more thing called pressure reducing valve. If you install blindly, again I'm telling you, it will be a big problem. So these two things are must. Maximum people are not having a above only floor. If they have above floor and above that they are having tank, aram say. If they are above only they are having tank, don't promote. If you want to promote along with the booster pump 75 GPD. Okay, so this is the thing. Sir, how much TDS it will be purified our water? The maximum TDS it can be purified is that 2,500 rupees. I mean like 2,500 TDS maximum. I think so. You can observe here. Wait a minute. So here, more than 2,500, if they're having TDS, If they have TDS more than 2500, don't suggest our water purifier. Our water purifier cannot be purified. Okay, less than 2500 only purified. This is also you need to be keep it in your mind. So hope everyone is clear till here. So filter lifespan is given here. So I'll send you this also. Must and should everyone. Don't think that it's a tiny words. I won't read it out. Read each and every word properly and understand it properly, because you're going to promote a biggest product. So if you promote properly, you'll be happy. If not, you'll enter into a problem. Okay. So that is what. So we need to be perfect from our side. Hope you understood what and all requirements need to be seen before water purifier promoting. You understood concept what our water purifier is having and everything. Now you may think that how I should promote, sir. If I promote, they need to take like this. So now it's time to promote and to tell the things. Guys, I will tell you one thing. Better I whatever I shown you, I'll send the same PDFs to Aditya Shetty sir. You prepare in a serial wise one booklet. You prepare one book, like in the sense of one file, water purifier file, because if you have all the information in one file, that's more than enough. See the tools required to promote water purifier, write down it. One water purifier file, whatever the things I have shown, all these things should be over there. Water purifier file must and should. And two crystal glasses, one TDS meter, and one electrolyzer, right? One water purifier file, two glasses, that is crystal glasses. Don't do demo in steel glasses, because electrolyzer will be getting damaged. And the other thing is that TDS is must, electrolyzer is must. Okay, if you have all these things, it's very easy to convince the person. Okay, now it's time to go on to the marketing. Okay, I have prepared some things for you, but I was not able to prepare the PPT, but I wrote down some things. Okay, I'll tell you. See guys, whenever you are approaching the people, 5 steps need to be remembered. First step, you need to go and give introduction by yourself. Go in a thing that don't go like this in t-shirt or something, and don't go wear suit also. Wear vestige t-shirt, nice shoes, nice pant, enough, with proper cutting and proper beard. You should look professional. First thing. Next thing, after going there, just give your smile and just introduce yourself. Just I am Munishekar from Sharp. That's it. Don't tell I have done BTech. I am coming from Udupi or something else. Something. Just I am Munishekar. I am from Sharp. That's it. Okay, that is the first point, because it will take more time to explain for them. If you are wasting time in your introduction, that is not the thing, because customer will not be patient more than 10-15 minutes. Okay. Second thing, you need to be in good attractive attire. That is also I said, show off the brand. That means like you should have the vestige t-shirt must, because seeing is believing. So they should have that vestige t-shirt. Okay, we are coming from vestige, specifically Sharp, you can tell, or else you can make separately some t-shirts also for Sharp. Okay, and maintain eye to eye contact. Eye to eye contact is must. And next, good relationship. See, all the things is that you need to tell one thing. First thing is that is introduction. You need to go and introduce yourself in this way, with a good attire, with a good eye contact, and with a good smile and personality. Okay, later you need to go and give a short story that I am Munishekar from Sharp. That is the second thing was done. Third thing, you need to start doing presentation. So if you want to do presentation, you need to, before doing presentation, you need to do one thing. You need to ask, sir, you are having water, right? Do you think that water is good or bad? Do you think you're drinking healthy water? They may think, yes, I was drinking healthy water. We have bought AquaGuard by paying 18,000. We have bought can for 20,000. Okay, so no problem. That's fine. Good. Okay, now it's time to show for. We will do a demo. It's for free of cost. We will show your demo. It's free of cost. Go and collect their tap water. Go and collect their water. If they're using canned water, if they're using filter water, collect it. Get it. Go for TDS. Take TDS meter, dip onto it, and pass it. Show them the TDS. No, take 2 papers. Note down it. What you are having the TDS here, and what you are having TDS in filtered one or else can one. Okay. In some places you will be getting that TDS 40, 50 in can water, in normal water also. I mean, like in filtered water. But in groundwater, you will not get a purifier. I mean, like less than 100. Okay. Now, After doing TDS test, they'll tell that, yes, sir, according to TDS test, it was good only. Never ever degrade other brands. Never ever degrade other brands. That is not a good thing. Okay. So after doing that, take electrolyzer, explain them. Actually, I'm not having electrolyzer here. It was if you take electrolyzer, in electrolyzer only it will be there. Like if you have yellow color, what and all things will be there. If you have red color, black color, whatever it is, according to the color, they will be represented. If this color is occurring, these chemicals are presented in this water. Okay, you need to take that thing and you need to explain about that anode cathode. This is the anode and cathode, sir. Actually, we are going to dip onto it, and after dipping into it, it will react with water and it will separate hydrogen and oxygen, and it will take impurities out which are unseen, the impurities which are presented inside the water. If you keep it maximum time, you can keep for maximum 1 minute, 1 to 1.5 minute. Okay, keep it like that, or else maximum 2 minutes also you can go. Don't go beyond the 2 minutes. Okay, so if you keep it like that, it will get reacted and it will come out, and you can show the water like that. And now it's time to show the demo. I'll show you the demo, guys. So you are listening the words, but I'll show you. It will be little clarity for you. You can see here my screen. So I'm going to play the demo video. So you can see here, she was collecting the water over there from tap in one glass, that is crystal glass. Later, she was going to collect water from sharp water. This is sharp water. Actually, it's after installation we are doing. You can do before installation their water prefer or can water. So that is the electrolyzer which was presented over there. So you need to take sharp water separately and this water separately. You can, by seeing itself, you can see the clarity. The same water which is getting filtered, it was clean water. Okay. So now, so they were taking the electrolyzer and they were going to place over there and they were going to start. Now you can check it out there. The same water, tap water, which was given input to water purifier. So the same water was purified, right side. See the sharp water, how good it was. See the left water, how bad it was. You know what? So greenish. If you do the one, water was having, you reason for your water purifier. So don't go and promote about water purifier first. Go and promote that, sir. We just came from shop. We want to do demo. So just for your clarification, it's for free of cost only. You need not to pay us any money. After showing this demo of their groundwater, they'll get like this, and you know what? They'll be shocked. Now you can see the sharp quality. The same water was purified through sharp. See how clean it was, how neat it was. Actually, water shouldn't be totally white color. It should be in pale yellow color, because if there is a minerals, that is the indication of pale yellow color. If you are not getting pale yellow color, it's not minerals are not presented. If you do with distilled water, like there will be no pale yellow color, but little pale yellow color should come. That means minerals are presented in that. Okay, so this is what the demo I want to show you. So guys, so this is what the demo I have done. So you need to do like this demo. So after introducing yourself, if you do this demo now, people will ask, so tell me, like, what is the solution for us? They themselves, now you're going and showing the problem which is already existed. Which is already existed, you're showing through demo. Now people will ask what I should do. Sir, tell me, now you're drinking this water. Just imagine you're drinking this water and it will going inside your whole thing. Urine is coming. The things which I showed, that greenish color, it is staying in your stomach only. What are you going to do with that? If you ask like this, now he will be in question mark. When he is having question mark, we are having an answer. Don't worry, sir, we are having an answer. Open your water purifier file and start showing the presentation. Start with block diagram and explain the filters in a short and sweet manner. Okay, so that is the thing. And next thing you want to tell, one more thing. What I want to tell you is that now people will tell that we are using can water. In some places, if you are using can water, if you do electrolyzer test also, it will not come that much bad. It will also, the things, if you do purified test through this can water, it will come in pale yellow color only. Now people will tell that, sir, can water is good only. Sir, we have done test. It was coming pale yellow color only. I think so this is good. No, no, my dear friend. Actually, central government has accepted only 6 water plants. In entire India, only 6 water plants have been accepted, right? And other than that, no water plants were accepted. If you can go to any water purifier, if you're getting can water, go to the place where they are giving filtration, go and see their water plant. They'll be having a small can which is a 5-liter content, the chemical, right? The chemical name is deoxyphenoformous. The chemical name is deoxyphenoformous. This will be used as a chemical. The 5 liters cost is 600 rupees, which will give you a taste in water can. And if it goes for long term, you will be facing a lot of issues with your water. It is not, it's all hiding. It's like, you know what, organic farming, you know, right? Similar to organic farming, you know what, if you are doing the farming, same thing with pesticides, what's happening? You are getting fruit and vegetable, but which fruit you are getting, which vegetable you are getting? The things which have got taken pesticides. That means all the nutrition is lost. Same thing is going to happen like this. If you are, that chemical is going to get, all the arsenic lead compounds will be died. I agree. That is why impurities is not showing. But you are going to drink chemical water, not purified water. So these things need to be done. Then even those people will be convinced. And if you come across with Kent and Aquaguard, if this Kent and Aquaguard, people will tell that, sir, we are getting, sometimes you will get good TDS, 40 TDS. You know what, in my home only I checked, 40 TDS it was came Kent. And you know what, I done electrolyzer test, it was also came in pale local. Now you may get a question, how should I face this challenge? I'll tell you, 2 tests are there. Sir, after getting water, you are taking through tap only, right? You tell me, whatever the tap you're having, is it plastic or else what? Plastic. Storage tank, plastic. Some will tell fiber. Okay. Inside filters, pakka plastic. No doubt in that. Okay. So one thing, you are telling that plastic is bland, plastic shouldn't be used and all these things, but you're taking entire water filtration through plastic only. Okay, leave it out. Okay, that is not a big cause only. Leave it out. I'll tell you one test. Do that. Leave your water for next 30 days like that. Leave your water next 30 days like that only. And after 30 days, if you go and see, you can find lot of germs. And if you take smell of that water, it will be very bad. I told you, right? Virus, it cannot be died. There is no system that it can be killed virus. There is only system which can create inactive the virus. So again, recontamination will happen. The recontamination is the bad quality in the water. So this is what, even for can water it can be done. If you take can water, if you leave like that for next 1 or 2 weeks, lot of smell will come from can water. This can be done a test if you want. So if these things challenges, if you do like this, na, there will be pakka clarity. So chemical from that, and plastic, and if you store for a long time, and also everything is plastic made. If you drink like that, it's not a thing. So this is what the cause. And also RO membrane, you can highlight the RO membrane over there by telling the story of ship. If you won't believe me, just go and cross check with that. Now they may ask that, what is the guarantee of your shop? There is pakka guarantee that it will purify. How can I believe you? You can give me that guarantee? Yes, sir. I won't tell you. I want to ask you one question, sir. Don't take it negative. I want to take it as positive. Sir, have you studied 10th? Have you studied 10th? Everyone will tell yes. Have you all people studied 10th standard? Yes. What is the proof? Even I'll also tell I have studied MBA in Stanford. What is the proof? Proof is all about certificate. Do you have any certificate that for your water purifier that is pakka it's purifying? The person has showed you, the person has given you. Sir, my dear friend, like what I want to tell you is that everything is have certificates. Certificate is the only proof which will be show the guarantee and the quality and the things. And now you can show our sharp water purifier. In the water purifier file, you should take a copy of water purifier certificate. Right, there is a TU certificate. It is having a laboratories only in cities. Okay, I'll show you that certificate also. 1 minute. So actually we are having a certificate. Just a minute, guys. I will show you. Somewhere it's missing. I'll show you guys. Later I'll send to Aditya Shetty sir. You can just go to that. Like you can find over there. Actually, there was an input one. You need to explain that certificate very well. Actually, there will be an input, normal input of water. So that is what the sale will be created actually. There will be around 1000 some TDS will be given input, and it will be gone to 109. So the TDS will be 90% will be reduced. And whatever I shown, arsenic, lead, copper, nitrate, fluoride, all these things, every chemical, how much input, the water which they have given, how much content it is having, after short filtration, how much content it makes. And there will be one more column, how much our human body requires. So there will be that maximum, it should not reach more than this. How much ever, like less than 2500, how much ever TDS you give input, it will take down that less than that maximum. So that is what, that certificate you need to explain properly in understandable manner. See, major highlights I'll tell you. Major highlights I'll tell you, my dear friends. What is the major highlights is that, first thing, so I got a certificate, 1 minute. So thank you, sir. Like actually you sent me. So you can find it out here. It's a TUV certificate. So you can observe here. So total dissolved solids. The inlet water was here 1547. Right? This one. 1547. Right? So outlet water which was given. Here is 133. Just a minute. Yeah, 133. Actually, maximum for human body, you shouldn't give more than 500. That is the maximum. Similarly, nitrate, the input was given 156. Outlet after sharp purification, it was given 14.8. The maximum drinkable is 45. It shouldn't exceed 45. That is very dangerous. Even fluoride was given 8.73. Outlet water is 0.6 after purification, but maximum is 1. And arsenic, cadmium, copper, lead, all these things you can highlight here. This is that 1547 TDS which was having the same thing which was containing. After sharp purification, you can see here 0.005, 0.003, 0.01, 0.005, 001, 0101. The maximum you can see here. So you can tell Aram say with full confidence, with 100% confidence, sir, I am showing you this certificate. What are you using? Aqua, Kent, whatever it is. Take the water. In Bangalore, there is a laboratory. In every, I think so, Bangalore also it's having, I don't know. So yeah, we need to go to the, it will charge only 200 rupees. If you give morning, they will give by night. Or else if there is any universities, there is a geology department separately, like how we are having computer science and electronics department, geology department. If you go there also you can, they'll charge 200 rupees. You can give your water and give your tap water, give your aqua water, give our water also. Go and get this, they'll give this report. The same to you which given to Sharp, they'll give the same report to everything. You can just go and get that. I'm guarantee you that it will not show you this much of quality one. And I'm guarantee sure. If you tell this word, that person will not speak anything. Maximum they will not go. If that person is psycho, he will go. But there is a person in my team, he have done like that. He have went and came. He have done that. And you know what? After done, that person have what? Actually, in his apartment, actually he's the person little bit type of psycho. And he have told that, no, I'll go to Bangalore. I'm going to Bangalore. What are you saying now? I'll do that. That is my initial phase. Actually, I got little fear. This person is really doing testing. What should I do? Either I'll get booked or not. Okay. I told, okay, sir, whatever it is, because we are having faith and belief on our system and our company and our product. I told, okay, sir, do it on any of TV only, na? Like they will, okay, done. They went and they done. And you know what? Report has came a lot of more. Like some things have got good only. Actually, their home is having aqua god. So, and they have done. And in some 4-5 cases, it was more. It's not actually drinkable. So he got that. Oh my God! I bought with 40,000. Actually, that water purifier is 40,000 instance in aqua guard. So he got shot. Entire apartment, 26 water purifiers taken. 26 water purifier. I didn't promote it, and he is not a Vestige distributor. He told he himself showed the certificate. See, yo, I bought 40,000 AquaGuard. See, nothing, everything gone, everything gone. And those people, we are drinking 15,000 water purifier. What should our destination? Like that person is telling you are drinking 15,000, then you should take this. He have done water purifier follow. So this is how it has gone. So my dear friends, like I'm telling you, believe, right? So compared to coming to services, a little bit service is down because Sharp is starting now only because they are exploring now. We need to understand with the situation. Services, it's little tight to provide because products are getting sold fastly and they underestimated the Vestige, but it was growing fastly. So service is a little bit tough. You need to understand, but whatever it is, within 48 hours, they will give a service. Okay, don't get negative by seeing the service. Understand the situation. Okay, so but product is highlight, and this is one incident. There was one more incident I want to tell you. So this incident happened in Nellore. Actually, we have installed, this is in my initial phase, we have installed in one of the place called water purifier. Actually, in their home, their cousin is having what I should say, this engagement. Actually, they had kept in home only engagement. All the people came. You guys, you know one thing, water purifier is like a bomb. Okay, if you keep one place now, it is like nuclear bomb. It will blast like anything. You know what? How? Don't think it will blast. I'll tell you what is the blast of in my place. Actually, we placed over there. So engagement has happened. Unfortunately, we don't know that. Okay, what we will be doing? If the person will come to a home, you tell me which will the first thing we'll give? Water, cool drink, or tea, or food? Which will be given? Pani, water, right? So they are given for all the people who are came to engagement. So after drinking that water, array, water taste was so much good. What it is, how it is. Like maximum people are using canned water because you can, by drinking our water only, they will observe the taste. Anyone, that is such a taste we are having. You know what? They're taken because of that management engagement. We got again 8 water purifiers sold. Again done. So this is what simple. You know what? You don't require any distributor over there. If you have the person family, you know what? Entire family. If the person you are aware to like tell about the presentation, all these things, just install one water purifier in your home. I'm telling you, within 1 year you will become director without doing presentation only. Because you will be getting given. Don't install in lockdown time because you won't get visited any relatives. But after lockdown, you'll get relatives, right? So if the best time to install is that if you're having marriage, install at that point of time. It is very beautiful thing. So this is what the techniques have been involved. So water taste will attract more. Okay, and I told you, right, if someone will ask you what is the guarantee, so that's what you can show the certificate. And you have to, before showing the certificate, you need to ask that what is the guarantee water is giving a good quality to AquaGuard or something. I'm not telling you AquaGuard is not wrong, Kent is wrong. I'm just asking you that is it really safe, of is it purifying perfectly or not. Some people, you may find some question that, sir, we are getting from municipal water, municipality is giving pure water for us. Yes, it's giving pure water, but it's not purified water. It's giving only pure water, not purified water. It was cleaning the dust and waste, the major particles. But water purifier will do, which is not seen, tiny particles. So that is the water purifier. But municipality is not like that. Take that municipality water, do electrolyzer test, and explain. On the electrolyzer machine only, there will be thing. If yellow color is there, lead, cadmium is present, black color is there, like that. By seeing the color, you can explain. But pakka pale yellow color will come. Pale yellow color indicates there is a minerals is presented in the things.
I didn't understand that.
So this is what the thing. And let me go for this. Anything I have missed. So our tank, I mean like our water purifier for 1 hour, it will purify 15 liters. Okay. So preferable, the best TDS to drink water is 10 to 50. Even 100 is also the best. The best of best is 10 to 50. Okay. So 1 year warranty will be on the box only, and filters, there is no warranty. So that's not nothing. And guys, when you're suggesting water purifier, again I'm telling you, don't give presentation for only housewife or only for husband. Make entire family get appointment. Because you know why? If you give her a housewife, na, she will tell my husband is not accepting. If you go for husband, my wife is not accepting, right? If you know what, I have done one thing. Recently, I went to one doctor. Actually, we have done a demo. Actually, they said that we don't require after doing all the presentation. But you know what? I'll tell you. I'll show you. Actually, that person. Actually, what happened is that we have done demo. After then, I have explained. The doctor, the person who is there, that boy, he was actually little bit like busy. So that girl, like her wife, his wife, she have listened. I told all the things, and later she said that I'll confirm. But she said that I'm sorry, like my husband is not accepting because he didn't listen only. How can he accept? Because he'll tell many people are coming. Okay. Next up, what happened is that their children also were there. I showed the demo to those people. They were, oh my God, what this water we are drinking. So those people, children was shocked. So now parents told that no to water purifier. And you know what? After 3 days, I got a call that we want water purifier. Ma'am, you said recently don't require, but you have done demo. Na? My children were like not drinking that water only. They want sharp only, it seems. So that is what, because of their sake they will buy. So you know what, immediately, that is what last time when I was taking leadership series, that is what happened. Like that is what the story behind that. So that is what happened. So what I want to tell you is that the right time to tell is that get an appointment with the entire family. Don't do for one, because again you will face rejection. What I was telling you is that to get less rejections from the people. Okay, this is one more thing I want to add. And next thing, you can tell that even Kinley is a good brand, Bisleri is a good brand. You can take any water bottle, you can tell that backside of that, there will be expired date, best before 6 months. Right? Tell me, is there water? You can show that also. Tell people that, tell me, sir, water will be having expiry date or chemical will be having expiry date? Chemical. That is means you're drinking Kinley water, Bisley water, even that is chemical added. Right? So, but whatever in water plants, 5 liters cost is 600 rupees. But in the Bisleri and Kinley, the chemical what they were using, 1 liter cost is 2,500. 1 liter chemical cost is 2,500. That is also deoxyphenofarmers. Not only this chemical, there are many chemicals to be added. So yes, sir. Like, Chetty sir, you want to talk? I'm not getting your voice, sir.
Your voice was breaking. That's why I told. That's it. Where my
Right, sir.
hello? You can hear my voice? It's audible.
Yes, sir. I can hear. I can hear.
The voice was breaking. That's why I say waved my hand. That's it.
Okay, okay, fine. So now is it okay, right? So yes, that is what the thing. Get appointment correctly over there. And I told you that 6 plants only approved by the central government. Those 6 plants are stainless steel plants. Stainless steel plants. Only those things are approved. But for fixing the stainless steel plants in water plant, it will cost more. That is why they will go for basic one, which will not have a proper rights from the government. They'll give some money and they will start. You can ask certifications over there. If you don't require those also, go there and observe. They'll be having a 5 liter can. Ask them what is that can. Tell them it's a chemical. That's it. So that is one more thing. And that's what I want to tell you. Still any doubts you have? So I'll read the chat box now. Don't we get smell from sharp water purifier? No, we won't get any sharp. Can you please explain the working of electrolyzer? Buddy, I'll send you the video, so demo video. You can watch that video again so that you'll be having little clarity. The person who have done demo, they have explained a little bit over there. So can you please repeat the second step? This is recorded. I think so. This recording will be shared. You can listen again. So whomever you asked me, they are repeating. And sir, you said RO membrane is banned, but I didn't get how we are using RO membrane. Can you explain it once? Actually, my dear friend, RO has been banned because of only one cause. The one cause is that they were using a cheap ones, because RO is not that much thing that which can be offered that much easily, which it can be offered. If it is added, definitely it will go beyond 20,000. But people don't want to promote that water purifiers because they won't get sales. If they give water purifier for 20-25,000, if they give for 5-10,000, they will get. So that is why what happened is that they were using the thing. I told you the ship example now. Such type of model RO membranes they were using. That is why Supreme Court has got research about it. Everywhere they found maximum. They didn't found entire. They found the maximum to this. That is why they banned. And that is also they have seen this water plants. That is also they banned. That is why they banned this can water. Okay, that is the thing. But our thing, they have specially designed from America. What I shown in water purifier box, you can go to the RO membrane chart. You can find right side lead, copper, all these things. How much percentage it will be purified? That is the major specification we are having because of that 128 chambers. Actually, that required. Because of that only, actually our water purifier cost is more. Because of that RO membrane only, because of that feature. And AF disruptor also. AF disruptor is the technology only Sharp is having in entire world. No water purifier is having AF disruptor technology. Okay, and also in some places microns was decreased, and in carbon filter silver percentage was increased, and PCP board was fitted, and there were where minerals should be given exactly, and scanning, all these things are done. Because of all these things, little by little bit price is increasing. That is why it is hiked. So at last, everything we explained, if they say it's too costly, what to do? Yes, I'll tell you, if it's too costly, I'll tell you what is that. So later I'll ask another. Okay, guys. So now after explaining all these things, people will tell that, sir, 28,000 cost. My dear friends, I want to tell you one thing. Tell them it's 32,000. Don't tell directly 28,000. Definitely they are going to bargain with you. Okay. Later if they tell 28,000, directly 28,000. If still they won't believe you, sir, for your sake, I have given 28,000, and also in water prefer file, carry at least 2 water prefer bills of anyone's. Okay. When you carry that, sir, see, already it's recently billed. You can see here it was 28,000. It's a final price. We can't go for less than that. You can tell this. After telling these things also, people will tell that it was costly, I can't afford. Okay, sir, it's fine. Okay, accept with their decision. Now tell them, I want to ask you one thing. So, sir, if you're comparing Tata car with Suzuki car, I accept. But comparing Tata car with Mercedes Benz, it's not acceptable thing. It's not comparable, right? So it's for you, not for customer. Actually, I am telling for you people. Okay, if you are comparing Tata car with Hyundai or a Suzuki or something else, it's okay, because all these are mid variants of brandeds. If you are comparing Mercedes Benz with Audi, it's okay, fine. But comparing Audi and Tata, it's not good. It's not at all comparable, right? Similarly, when you are showing something brand with this system, you need to compare with the same system which is already there. Now it's time to come to Kangen. Okay, Kangen water purifier, actually it cost, Kangen water purifier, actually it cost 1,15,000, and another is a 2 lakhs. I'll tell you why also. 1 minute, I have prepared one PPT in Telugu. So you can find here, I'm sharing my screen. After filtration, after fitting, it will look like this: pre-filter, box, and separate water tank. We will be having all these three things. Along with that, we will be having a tap in the box. Okay. So we'll be having all these things there, and this is how we need to do testing bacterias. And now it's time to show. This is a Kangen. You can go and search in Amazon. It will show you 1,45,001, 2,45,001, and this is having the same technology what we are having. Now show them Kangen water purifier. So tell them, sir, Kangen water purifier is same technology. If you want the same technology what Sharp water purifier having, you can go and search. If you're going, if you're getting in Kent or Aquacard, you can go and buy. I won't stop you. But I'll suggest you only in one thing it we are having, that too in a similar manner, not exactly, it's a similar one. That is Kangen water purifier. But it costs you 1,45,000 minimum. There is another variant, 2,40,000. So now, after showing this, now tell me, sir, after comparing to this, Sharp water purifier is costly or cheap? It's cheap. Now, person will ask, now you are telling the similar technologies you are involved in Kangen. Then Sharp is using the cheap material. Huh? Now I'll tell you the story behind the 1,45,000. Actually, Kangen water purifier belongs to Dubai company. So it's also one of the network marketing company. Okay. So Dubai, actually in Dubai, you already know that there is no water in the ground. It's full of desert. Actually, it costs more. How we cost petrol like 100 rupees, like that they'll get costed the water. So now this Kangen water purifier specification, unique specification, why it was hiked to 1,45,000 means it will get one more antenna. It will get one antenna in the top of the floor. What that antenna will do, it will collect the humidity and it will convert that humidity into the water. That water will be purified. That is what the system is involved in Kangen. That is why it costs you 1,40,000. Understanding? So this is what behind the story. That is why Kangen water purifier cost, because it is creating the water and that created water is getting purified. That is why it was the thing. But system is similar to that only. That is for Dubai. But in our country, we are having more water. We don't require that. So that's why Sharp is giving for 28,000 only. So before they ask this question, you explain them to the people about Kangen. Before they ask about the price is costly or this, before that only you explain this so that people will not ask the question only. Okay, so this is what the thing you need to explain about the Kangen water purifier. But we are Sharp is not creating water, sir. That is why it is giving for 28,000 only. If it is having the quality to create water, it will also go beyond 1 lakh only. But I can guarantee you two things. One thing is that you won't get this technology in any way entire the world. Second thing is that you can go and give the certification test in geology department or else TU department only. They'll give the report for you, whatever you're using. By seeing this test, you can do that. This is my duty. I have told the thing what I know. Now decision is in your hands. You can tell like this. So tell 32,000, don't tell directly 28,000. That is what must. Okay. So that is what. Still, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. And sir, in our village, they were giving water purifier, which is for 16,000 for 6,000. Who had BPL card? People are buying like anything. How to see for everywhere, wherever you want to explain two things. Go and do the demo. By the demo, maximum 50% purifiers will get out. And after doing demo, electrolyzer test and TDS test, some purifiers will show the exact thing. For those people, ask them only one thing is that, what is the guarantee that you are drinking purified water? So they'll tell, yes, we are having trust on the company. Have they shown you any certificate? Right? So create some question mark and start explaining them and show our certificate. That's more than enough. Okay, so this is what the thing you can do. So that is how it converts. Yes, sir.
Yeah, just one thing. You were telling about the booster pump and pressure reducing valve,
Yes, sir.
right? So about that installation, the Sharp people only will do, or we have to do something.
Sharp people only will do, but we need to get the product.
Okay, we need to get it. So it is available in, if we go to any water purifier shop, it's available there. So we'll be able to provide it. Not an issue.
The minimum cost will be 1,200 and more than that. Until now,
What is the cost of the pressure reducing valve?
no, we didn't use anywhere, sir. We didn't get any chance anywhere. 75 feet maximum. We got these things on. I
No,
think so.
because in similar cities like these places, there will be not too many flats. Many people will be staying in homes. So there may be a situation that we might be able to use pressure reducing valve more than the booster pump. So sometimes, so that's the time I really
I
just
asked
wanted.
them like pressure reducing valve also. We'll be getting that water purifier them only. You
Yeah,
can.
we can ask them.
Yes. If
Okay.
you don't get over there, just let me know, sir. I'll find it out.
Okay. I think Akarji has some doubts. Just unmute him.
Yeah, Munikshekhar sir. Yeah, I just wanted to ask a doubt is when you show demo video by using electrolyzer, uh, when you are going there for the first time, okay, do you carry sharp water, purifier ka water? Like, how do you show the comparison?
No, sir. Sharp water will not be carried. Actually, if you carry water in water bottle, you know what happens? That water will be recontaminated.
True.
So through plastic bottles, even plastic bottles, there should be some grades for there. Some water bottles not to be used, but still we are getting in the markets. If our water is entering into that, it will get recontaminated and it will give wrong result. If you want to really do the thing like that, if you have sharp water purifier, you want to carry that water and you want to show, then carry one crystal bottle. I think so in Thailand we got in hotel that. Crystal water bottle. You can take that water bottle and in that water bottle you can carry our water and you can do the demo aram se.
So how do you show the demo when you go to a new place where there is no water purifier already installed? How do you do the electrolysis demo to them?
So yes, sir. Like we will tell that like just we will do the demo test. If it is required, we will tell you. If it is not required, nothing else. But we are going to give a free demo only. I will tell. Okay, we came for free demonstration. What people will tell that just we'll give like an announcement, sir. Actually, if I have someone online, I'll tell them like tell them that their Sharp is doing a free demonstration in every home for free of cost. So they'll show the just quality of water in
No,
2 minutes.
my doubt is, Manish Shankar sir, that when you show the demo, okay, yes, you're doing it for free of cost. We need a Sharp, purified water, na, to show the demo that this is better
Okay.
than the normal. So that I am asking, how do you, from where do you get
Okay,
that?
got it. So yes, sir. Like that. In that case, you're asking that this thing, right? If the person who is going to demo, if that person is not having Sharp water with him, and people will ask that show that demo also. That
Yes.
time. So that time you can tell only one thing, sir. That is called certificate. You can show, and you can tell them, sir, if you install water purifier, we'll come and do the demo, and you can see Aram say. And for that proof is that certificate. So this certificate taken from the TUV. That certificate is the only proof we can show.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank
Okay.
you so much.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Yes, yes, sir. Varun, sir.
Yeah. I guess like Munishekar said, like I have heard that TUV certificate. What is there? Is it only for the Sharp which has been given, or some other companies also?
I think so, sir, but I don't know exactly. But
Okay.
TU is given for Sharp. Actually, this is one of the top one laboratory in the entire world. Like actually, like we can take any water to test, but I think so other water purifiers are having the test or not. We don't know because we didn't see any certificates from them, right?
Okay.
I
Okay.
will, I
Okay.
will, I want to add something here.
Yes, sir.
TU is a firm which, clarifies the claims of the company. Sharp has a claim that it purifies 99.9% of, the water. TUI is a firm which clarifies this claim. It confirms this claim that yes, the purified water is of that standard. Any claim for some company claims, we have 100% purification. TUI is a company which, tests that their product. And if they find out that the claim is wrong, then they can file case against the company that they are giving wrong information to the public. So TUI is a firm which clarifies the claims of the company. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir. Anything else, sir, apart that? So yes, I would like to add with our question. So while we are doing electrolyzer test, we will do with two waters. One is from groundwater, one is a drinking water. If they're drinking can water, we'll do with can water. If they're drinking purified water, we'll do with purified water. If they're drinking only groundwater, we'll do only groundwater. That's it. And if you can carry Sharp water, you can take that crystal glass bottle and you can carry the water and you can show our water demo also. Yeah. So other than this, anything else?
One more thing, like here in the coastal areas, many people are there who are talking about the well water. Okay, it's like if we are going for the demonstrations and all anything, so they'll be talking about there that from so many years we have been using well water and we are fit and fine. Now why I should spend money on yours? So did you come across like this sort of stuff? What is
Yes,
the
sir.
answer you give?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes. So I think so. Old people, right?
yeah, yeah. Old people.
Old. So actually, old people are like they will tell this type of queries only. So we need to accept with their decision. Actually, the thing is that they said exactly correct. Actually, we need to ask that once upon a time. The same thing we need to ask them written. So if there are like old people, you can ask the farmers. Sir, 50 years back, even farmers were not using pesticides. Now why people are using pesticides? So simple question. So they were using, that's it. They'll tell. You can't stop them. So now, sir, the pesticide, whatever they're using, it was mixing with water and they're spraying. The same water is going there and it was digging down. And even clouds. Once upon a time, factories was not there when you are fit that time. So when you are in the young age, there is no factories. Today, many factories was established. And this clouds passing, which is clouds passing, it was coming where we don't know. So we need to raise these two questions. They'll come on to the thinking mindset. That time we need to tell that this is how water is today got mixed like with chemicals, right? right, contaminated. So because of this contamination, today it's required water purifier. Actually, according to you, in previous like 20 years, 25 years back, it don't require actually. But now it's required because usage is becoming more of pesticides and also factories. And if you won't believe this, I'll check this. If you won't believe that also, right, whatever you are having, right now, he was taken more quality water compared to previously when he was in young age. Now he is drinking the bad water, right? So you can show that electrolyzer test and you can show him again, this is the water you are taking, sir. And you can go and ask your doctor if you want.
Yeah.
If
So
you
it is
think
better to, yeah, it's better to show electrolyte test, right?
yes, sir. Then we need
Yeah.
to do electrolyzer test.
Yeah, yeah. And is there like what might be the basic cost of electrolyte in the market? Like if you are purchasing online and all, like what you have purchased, like there is a range of that also.
It will cost
320. Okay,
no,
Rohit is telling.
normal one only. We'll be getting
Okay.
that any electrolyzer. So
Anything.
it will always showing that in the top only. You can
Okay.
buy. There is no separate electrolyzer for that. That's what. And sir, one more thing. When you are doing electrolyzer test, one more things I need to be added. Whenever you are doing electrolyzer test, clean properly.
Clean.
One thing. And
Yeah.
you know what? Little content of water. If suppose you are taking sharp water only in another glass, you are taking bore water. If little drop, one drop, if it mixed in sharp water, also sharp water will give wrong result. So what I suggest you is that when you are doing with sharp water, clean electrolyzer electrodes with sharp water. Then you do the demo. And every time when you do the demo, immediately clean the water, clean with water and clean with the cloth. Okay, don't keep like that only, because if electrodes will get attracted, you know what, every time it will give wrong result only. That is what where many people will get wrong result, even though after doing with electrolyzer test. This is what I faced after doing sharp water purifier also. Sharp water purifier also giving up yellow color too much, and people are telling that what is sharp. Now I was confused, like what I need to do. Now he was telling, take this 28,000 rupees product, give me my 28,000. Like I was shocked. Then I got to know that electrolyzer I have done just whenever I'll do the demo, and I'll keep it in the bag. So later I was cleaning, and whenever I used to do demo, I used to clean with sharp water. And before going to their demo only, I'll clean with sharp water here, and I'll clean with nicely with a good cloth, and then I'll keep it in the box. Okay, if you're carrying in some cover or all else, whatever it is, every time carry new cover. Before going only, go with a pure hygiene of your electrolyzer. That is what the thing.
Yeah.
And even in TDS, people will think that 100 is the maximum. Actually, after 100, if it crosses, it will show a small thing called into 10 in TDS. That is also we need to be understand over there. Actually, it's not 100, it's actually 1,000. So is that because some people will see that it was just 300 rupees, 300 TDS only is there, sir, we can give water purifier. After giving water purifier, if we won't get proper result, if you do water test, it will be 300 into 10. It is 3,000. Our water purifier will not be doing anything. It's wrong product we have suggested over there. So we should be very thing like that. So maximum we can't find more than 2,500 TDS. Sir, some people use bleaching powder to well, saying that water will be clean. Is it good? And how can we tackle those people? Whatever it is, it's a bleaching or whatever it is. I'm telling you only one thing, my dear friend. It's a chemical. Right? Bleaching is not a thing that it's a natural one. if they say that it's a natural one, then why can't they eat directly? So that's what the thing. And TDS meter will be around 300, and yeah, it will be getting TDS meter and electrolyzer for less than 600 only both. I think
So what is the TDS level of our water after purification? So as you told that 10 to 15.
It depends on input, sir. If you give, let us think 2,500 you are giving input, it will give for 250.
Okay.
Okay, 90% minimum, 90% minimum.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So imagine that if the TDS level is around 600 to 700, okay. So what might be the purification? After purification?
700.
Yeah,
Yes,
initial input is around 600, 700 or up to 900 you take it within 1,000. So after purification, what might be the TDS level?
It will be less than 100. Sir.
Less than 100. Okay.
If it is less than 1,000, less than 100. If it is less than 2,000, less than 200, like that.
Okay.
Just we need to remove 1 0. That's it.
Okay.
That is what the thing. That is the minimum purification. So we'll be done over there. So that is what. And if you're getting one more thing I need to be added here. If you want to test sharp water, right? If it is less than 1000 TDS, then do test for electrolyzer so that it will give a good result. And again, we need to understand that if you are giving 2000 input TDS, 2000 TDS input, that after purification it will come 200. If you do electrolyzer test, the pale yellow color will be little more dark yellowish. Because why? And you can find some like particles also over there. But you need to tell them at that point of time, your water is too bad. That too bad thing we have got to do 201. We need to create awareness before only. Because after suggesting that if it is 100 TDS and more, after sharp purification, if the water is getting more than 100, definitely color will go to into some deep dark color. So you need to create before only awareness so that if you get also, they will not get negative. But if you won't tell and if you show the demo video and we will do that, that will be again a biggest problem. They will get negative. So marketing gimmick behind alkaline water, simple. You can tell them, and you can anyone if they're in the WHO department or also in WHO website or else they can go and search. There is no alkaline water in this world. There is no technique, there is no filter purifier which can give alkaline water. It was not actually invented. But people are telling that some cartridge that is called alkaline coating. Alkaline coating was there, it will give alkaline water. There is nothing purified will give alkaline water. If you get alkaline water also, if you drink alkaline water, long term you will face a lot of problems. In long term. Not in short term. In short term it will be good water, but in long term you will get some problems through alkaline water. It was not told by me, it was told by WHO. So this, that's what. And anything else? So hope has clarified their doubts.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you for clarifying us. I think we learned a lot. I think we didn't know this much about water purifier. I think today we got to know a lot of things about water purifier, and I think there'll be a lot of easiness for people who stay till the end to understand that tomorrow they can go and talk to someone, because we also were a little bit afraid that it is 32,000, it's 28,000. And these said people, you know, Nasir, I think you also experienced this when you're going to a small city and small village people. A little bit rash when you talk about price, they suddenly change their voice. So I think now when we have a certificate and we have a certain way of telling it, I think that's a time we'll definitely crack some sales. Thank you for all the tips. And I think it has helped us a lot. I think definitely in the coming time we may not be able to hit 62. By the time we hit 62 you might go to 1000, but at least we'll try to do as much as possible. And I think from today onwards, I think many people had a lot of doubts. I think it got cleared. And yes, sir, thank you for all those things. And definitely, sir, in the coming time we'll be able to do better things, and maybe we can, you know, even learn from our experiences. And as you know, I think you have more information because of our experience of going house to house and doing the lot of demos. I think we'll gain more information and we'll do more and more demos. That's it. And I think, sir, just one more question, last question. I think we need to do more and more demos in order for purifier to go, right? We cannot do it on phone or nothing. We have to do demos. We have to
Yes.
electrolyzer test and TDS
We
test.
have
That's the
to-
time you can
It's not the
actually,
thing which we have to do.
yeah, through phone though it's not possible. Yeah, maybe through a small close relative we can send videos and maybe, but I don't think so it will be done completely yet, because of the cost. I think we need to go there. We need to invest at least 600 to 1000 rupees from our side to go and do that test, show
Yes.
them, right?
Yes.
And about the booster pump also, we need to tell them the cost, or we need to, I think it's
It
better.
depends. If you don't have height, we need to suggest them. Booster
Yeah, we
pump.
need to suggest them. Na? We need to suggest them.
You
It
can
is
add support things that like actually pre-filter it will cost you 1200 na? Like when you're telling about the product, if you want to tell about the offer, you can tell 28,000. If you still want to that person, you need to maximum finalize by showing the bill, right? If they want to like, no, I want something down, like all these things I want, like, sir, I'll make you, don't tell pre-filter is free before only. Tell at the time when they ask about price, okay, sir, for your sake I'll get you pre-filter for free of cost, which is cost of 1200. Again 28,000 gone to 26,800. Now still if they ask na, okay, sir, for your sake I'll make you to get some cashback 1000 rupees. I'll keep from my pocket. Don't worry, I'll keep 1,000 rupees from my pocket because you have given a lot of time for me. You have given me some your precious time. I'll decrease you for 1,000 rupees because when you create their account, you definitely they'll get cash back. And also from my side, if you're going to take it this, I'll give for you household products for free of cost. I will give some gift for you. So that is what the
Yes,
voucher where we can generate.
sir.
So we
And
can
I
tell
think
like
we
this.
should we
And
should suggest more domestical than commercial, right? I think because it cannot be used. Can it be used commercially? Can we give for like hotel? It's not possible, right? We have to give domestic only, right?
yeah, for family purpose only our sharp water purifier was created, not for residential purpose
No, I want to
and
tell this
commercial.
because some people, because of too much Josh, they might go and do for hotels also. So I'm clarifying this in the meeting only, right?
Actually, even we got from the AP government 50 water purifiers orders, sir. Actually, but they said for residential for thing, but we didn't suggest it. Actually, we can suggest, but the thing is that if they was not satisfied, again, government, na, it will be a problem. So that is what. They didn't pay the
Yeah,
DD like for us,
Right.
the DD for 50 water purifiers. So they can take an AquaGuard and Kent and ours. I have provided our demo test and also I have given our certificates for them. They accepted us only, but because of this not used in commercial purpose, we declared 50 water purifiers. Single
yeah,
shift.
understood. And sir, you are simply motivating people to do marriage and also you're telling during marriage and all you put people simply might get married to sell water purifier. Right, but no, sir, it was a very informative session. I think it really helped us a lot. I think definitely we'll do even better in the coming time. So thank you a lot, sir. Thank you for your precious time. You gave almost 2 hours, and it is very rare that you give 2 hours of your time. I think you had other work also, but really thank you for your time that you gave us this time. So thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. So Varunji, you have one last announcement to make. Make it so that we
Yeah,
can that thing.
yeah, definitely. Uh, so first of all, congratulations for all the 30 people out there. I guess these 30 people are those people who want to really learn about the water purifier, who didn't come for the upline shake, right? It's been almost 2 months. I'm saying the time that these are the 30 people who actually want to learn, and these are the people who are going to sell air purifier or sorry, water purifier or take the water purifier for themselves, first of all, right? Yes, a small news I wanted to convey for all the directors and above. I hope you are excited enough, all the directors and above, whoever are there in this particular session. Guys, it's been a long time. I know like all the directors are wants to pick up their business to a next level. They want to get that momentum. They want to get that speed in their business in this lockdown period. I know many people are facing some or the other obstacles, some of the questions they might be having it, right? Last lockdown, many people have picked up their business. Okay, we have learned some of the tricks and methods how to pick up business in lockdown through our upline check. And the good news is that all the directors and above, especially directors and above, okay, not below that, directors and above will be having a special session by one and only the youngest DCD of Vesties, the youth icon of Vesties, that is Kushal Sharma sir, will be live tomorrow at 4 p.m. So first of all directors get ready. This at the last, I guess around 10 to 15 minutes, there will be an interactive session also. Okay, so that you can prepare your questions. You can send it to either Akashji or Shetty sir or me. The best questions will be selected so that you particularly will be asking that question with Kushal Sharma sir itself, right? All the things, right? Whatever challenges you are facing in this particular time, make sure that you are able to ask with them, and it's a great recognition for you also. So all the very best, guys. That tomorrow will be a great session. Get ready, 4 p.m. Right? Whoever are non-directors, work hard so that you are able to meet the youth icon. Right? Yes. So that is what the good news I wanted to share to all the directors and everyone. Yes.
Non-directors sell water purifiers, become director by tomorrow. When you'll get entry into the meeting. Today's information was enough, I think. But no, I was just joking. But yeah, work hard. I think we got a lot of information. I think we can do a lot of good closing in May month and maybe in the coming months because of the good information given. In the lockdown, please don't try to become hero and go house to house to do your demos. So you can wait little bit wait, have patience. And once the lockdown is open, then go 100 houses in one day. I don't mind. Right now, please have some patience. And yes, thank you for everyone. Thank you especially Munish Shekhar sir for giving us this time. So thank you. And yes, go and have your dinner. Take care. Stay safe. And